Hey guys, I'm Pat Kelly. Okay, in this problem, we have two different data sets for two different quizzes, and they ask us to construct a line graph for each. And then for each data set, determine the score that has the highest frequency. We'll do that part after we see the graph, okay? So to begin, what you have to do is look through your data and try to find the lowest point and the highest point. And you just make sure you cover all the bases here, but that 10 is going to be my lowest, and this 24 is going to be my highest. And I really only need those in order to draw this number line, which of course I've already done for us, but see how I'm going as low as 10 and as high as at least 24. I went up to 25, and then put all your tick marks in between. Okay, now then, to draw the line graph, what you do, a little tedious, but you go data point by data point. I'll start with the 20, and on my number line, above the number line, above the 20, I just put a dot. Okay, that's it. But you do have to go through each data point. I'll cross them out just to kind of keep track of where I'm at. So the 15, I just draw another dot. You don't have to be too exact, but you try to make the dots about the same size as each other. Okay, don't go crazy with one and then tiny on the other. 15 and then 14. And now here, see, this is the first occurrence where we're seeing the same data value occur a second time. That 20, we've already drawn a 20, but this is a different 20. So you just stack the dots on top of each other, okay? And then continue. 16, 19, there's the 10, 21, 24, 15, stacking that one on top, another 15, 14, 15, 21, 19, 15, 20, 18, two 18s, 22, another 18, 16, 18, 19, 21, 19, 16, 20, 14, and a 12. Okay, I think I have all my data points. It's a little bit of time, but there's our line plot. We're done with that task, but they also do ask us for the highest frequency. And from your graph, you're just looking for which score on the quiz has the most dots above it. Okay, so we're looking for that highest stack, which for me looks like it's at the 15. Highest frequency, I want to say at 15, or 15 has the highest frequency. You do the same work for the second set of data. Switch colors here, slide over. And again, let me grab this white. Again, start with your lowest and your highest. So you have to skim through the data here, and I'm seeing a low of 14 and a high of 25. And that's just for me to determine how big to draw this number line, okay? I didn't have to go as low as 10 if 14 is my lowest data point, but kind of makes it easy to compare these two data sets. Then tedious. You go through each data point, but we're putting that same kind of dots above each score. So I'll start with the 22, and above my 22, just do my dots. Trying again to stay consistent in size, and again stacking when we get repeats. Okay, 23, 22, 21, 24, 22, 19, 21, 23, another 23, 25, that's your score there, I think, 24, 22, another 22, 23, another 23, another 23, starting to lean, 23, 22, 24, 23, 22, 24, 21, 24, 16, 21, 16, and finally 14. Okay, I have all my data points. That's my line plot. Okay, then in order to determine that highest frequency, we, as before, look at how high the stacks got. I know mine started leaning a little bit, leaning Tower of Pisa, or Pise, kind of looks like. But for me, I've got two of them that are the same height at 21, 22, 22, and 23. It's okay for two different scores to have the highest frequency. So 22 and the 23 have that highest frequency. Have highest frequency. Okay, so you can have more than one score with that highest frequency. All right, take some time, take some practice, but do your homework and you'll get it. All right, thanks, hope that helped.